Hi, now we are going to see one of the serious topic that is a jewelry. Jewelry is a kind of accessory which denote the social status of a person. In ancient time, people wear ornaments which are made up of animal bones, teeth and stones. Jewel plays a crucial role in our fashion life. Day to day, we get more and more updated. Likewise, the way of wearing jewelry changed into fashionable. Now we are going to discuss about jewelry, types of jewelry in ancient times, and what the role of jewelry in our day-to-day life. Jewel enhance the outer beauty of the people. A handful of people gives more attention to the jewelry. It is made up of expensive metals like gold, silver, and so on, and certain jewels fabricated by the silver, nickel, and brass. Types of jewelry. There are various types of jewelry at present. Here I am going to point out some of the jewelry types. They are as follows: costume jewelry, handmade jewelry, antique jewelry, temple jewelry, bridal jewelry, and beard jewelry. Now we are going to see costume jewelry. Costume jewelry is also known as a fashion jewelry. Fashion jewelry plays a vital role in the field of jewelry. These accessories are inexpensive. There is a huge difference between fine jewelry and fashion jewelry because anyone can afford these accessories easily, which are low in price. It is more fashionable. You can wear matching accessories for your outfit. Fashion jewelry is mostly welcomed by young people. The raw material of an accessories are sterilizing silver, nickel, brass, etc. There is a distinction between costume and fashion jewelry. Most of the online shopping websites sell their accessories of fashion jewelry. Certain people love fashionable accessories. Then, handmade jewelry. A jewel which has assembled by the hand, which is known as a handmade jewelry. The handmade jewelry was made up of material without the help of the machines. The jewelry must be made by the hand power and hand guidance. That means that accessories were made using drills, lathes, or other machinery with the guidance of hand. Then, antique jewelry. Antique jewelry is a kind of old jewelry. When it is 100 years old or more than 100 years old, jewelry is considered as antique jewelry. It is very rare collection of jewelry. These accessories are more expensive, but it is worthy of it because these are rare and vintage collections. So it is mostly welcome among the people. So these collections from old days, which was an out of fashion, which was not an out of fashion, so that the people loved it. You can't get easily the antique collections of jewel. Temple jewelry. Temple jewelry is made up of the raw materials like silver and then plated in gold. This is a second type. The ornaments are commonly stone studded using rubies, emeralds, white sapphires, and pearls. Temple jewelry is the name given to the ornaments worn by Bharatanatyam dancers. The designs of the ornaments are like the ideals of Hindu gods and goddess in Tamil Nadu, and peacock, parrot, fish, and the image of gods like Lakshmi. Some of the ornaments are listed below: necklace, bangles, earrings, nose pins, waist belts, armband, ornaments for hair. Nowadays, temple jewelry collections were sold by the online sellers. There are two types of temple jewelry at present, as I mentioned above. Are jewels made in gold, and the jewels with authentic gemstones and made in silver, which are plated by gold. The second type of the temple jewelry are more affordable. You can get easily. Bridal jewelry. Obviously, Bridal jewelry or the accessories which were worn by the bride in their wedding functions. In Tamil Nadu, there are selective ornaments which were worn by the bride from ancient days. Here, I am going to mention some of the ornaments which I know. Waist belt, anklets, toe rings, nose pin, neti chutti, haram. In wedding functions, bride and the bridegroom are the center of attention. Some of the people cannot afford gold jewel to their wedding, so that they had chosen bridal jewelry collections from the imitation jewelry. Beads jewelry. A bead is a small decorative object. The ornaments were made by the materials like paper, wood, and metals such as copper, brass, etc. Some of the bead jewelry are decorated by the pearls. This is called a beads jewelry. Jewelry in ancient times. From the ancient times, people were fond of ornaments. Accessories help to enhance the beauty of person. The raw material of ornaments were feathers of bird, animal's bone, and teeth. They use colored pimples as a gem for the ornaments. Ancient people wore ornaments for sake of their safety and protection. Usually, most of the ornaments are sharp in nature. Day by day, the designs of jewelry get changed. Role of jewelry in our day-to-day life. A jewel takes a most important part in our life. Jewels were worn by the people for sake of social status, beauty, fashion. Certain people lost dowry for marriage as a jewels. We can sell gold jewel in our critical situation, which is helpful to them financially. Even though the rate of the gold increases day by day, people were still fond of gold jewels. Nowadays, a diamond jewel also get welcomed by the people. Now we are at the end of the session. Content written by Dinesh.